Build Percy the small engine out of Lego. You'll need a total of 35 pieces. Next, you'll need to get 2 of these bricks and put them together like this, and one brick, you put it together like this, and another one you put it like this. Get this piece, and then you put it together like this, and then you hold on, and you get this piece and you put it like so. Get the wheels. There's 4 in total. Percy has 4 wheels, so we'll put 1 more. So we'll put 2 on each. And then GWR Trojan. He's kind of right, and well, and once you have 4 wheels, and then you have 4 wheels on each side. 4 wheels on each side, you get this plate. And then you get this. This is this piece. This piece is gonna be the dome. Oh, the wheel fell off. Alright. Oh, bother. And next, we're gonna get, hold on. We're gonna, detach his boiler. And now we're gonna, attach this. And to this coupling. And then to here, we're gonna, add this, and we're gonna add this. Then we're gonna get more 1x2 pieces, and we're gonna put them here. Actually no. Let's just take this blue, hold on. Put this blue 1 piece off and put it like here, like so. And add 1 piece here, like so. Then we attach the boiler. This is kind of starting to look like RWS Percy. Now we get this boiler piece right here, and we attach it here like so. And then we get this piece right here, and we attach it like this. Now we get this round tube like funnel piece and attach it. And we're gonna get this. I really don't know what this piece with this called, but but they're on like RWS engines, so I'll just put it there. And so we get this, we attach it to this, and now we place it on our Percy. Then we get this lamp iron like block, and then we place it on here like so. Alright, now we get these. Alright, now we get these, this 2x4 piece and this flat piece. Connect those together, these windows, just like so. And we put them, oh, whoa, sorry. And we put them right here. So make sure it's right. Right. Now for the coal bunker. For the coal bunker, you just get another one of these pieces, and we put a lump of coal here. Next, look at this piece. This piece is gonna be his firebox, and hold on. Whoops. Hold on. Actually, move this piece here, and now, I think we move this now. Move this piece here. Oh, bother. I'm confused. Alright. We put it like here, like so. And then we attach it. Oh, bother, he broke. So we attach this like this. And then we put his coal bunker like this as so. And there's one more piece to put here. Hold on. Add this blue piece, 1x2 blue piece here. And then add this. And voila! We have our RWS Lego Percy. So it can have like couplings like with minis, like this. And I'd say it works really good with Trackmaster as well. But be careful. Sometimes this Percy might be very fragile. Like that. Anyway, if you would like me to do more Lego customs, make sure to click like and subscribe with notifications on. Thanks. Bye.